This is a short demonstration to show how easy it is to use the qualifications functionality within School's Attain Analytics. Once I've logged in, I will firstly describe the layout of the qualifications area, then we can start to use the product. Click login, and then we'll go straight into analytics. Starting at the top, it says qualifications. As we drill down, this will indicate the path we've taken to find the information we need. It's always easy, therefore, to actually go back to where you came from and to analyse qualifications at different levels. For example, at the qualification, at class and at student level. Next, on the top across the screen, we have the Department for Education's headline measures: attainment date and progress rate, English and Maths pass rate, EBAC and the overall pass rate. Most widely used is the attainment date and progress rate. Following this, we have a number of tabs. Currently, summary is selected, so we can see all qualifications for this upload. Clicking on students would show results for all students in the upload. Split by category shows special educational needs versus non-SEND, PP versus non-PP, and so on. And again, it is for the whole cohort. On the right-hand side, we have sort, so I can easily sort, say, by progress and identify subjects that are making the most or least progress. For example, let's sort this by progress decreasing. So now I can see GCSE EP has made the greatest progress for this particular upload. Filter by qualification allows for a qualification to be identified rapidly. For example, CO takes us straight to computer science and combined science. The ellipsis contains less frequently used features. For example, I can export data. Click on it, click download, and it's exported data straight away. So I can now save that and I can do some further analysis in Excel if I need to. We can also print the information shown on the screen. I will be describing the measures that we have across the screen here in another short video. However, we can easily see a trend line. So at the speed of thought, I can identify the trend in P. For example, we're going up since the first upload. We're at review 3 here at the moment. Chemistry has made significant gains, but others have reduced. And I can see them all in one glance. We have average attainment and progress shown graphically, as they are the most important measures. And we have a points profile as well. So I can see GCSE PE, who are making a progress of 4 grades per student on average, has a large number of higher grades in this profile from grade 9 to grade 1. We have green dots on the screen, which means that these subjects are doing really well. And if I scroll down to red dots and the subjects which aren't doing so well. So just picking up English literature here, we can see that each student in a cohort of 184 students is achieving minus 0.91 grades per average less in English literature than their target based on Key Stage 2 would reflect. And we've got a declining trend here as well. So I might want to investigate that further. Everything in blue is a hyperlink and it underlines when you hover over it. So I can just click on English literature to go into that subject, and now I can see all of the classes for English literature. It's worth pointing out that the layout is the same as you've already seen. So we've made the layout on the different screens similar because that makes you become quite familiar with using the product. And also we have the tabs across here, and the same we have the sort and the filter by class. It's also worth pointing out that at the top of the screen here we can start to see a path. So if I clicked on one of the subjects, let's choose the one with the least progress, 11x EL4, set 4. Now the path reflects we're in this class, and I can go back to any level. So I always know how to go back to previous screens I've used for analysis. If I wanted to look at the grades of a particular student in more detail, here I might have done some work with Brandon Hughes, for example, and I'd like to look at his grades. I can just click on it and it brings up all of Brandon's subjects, and we can see where he is performing in terms of English literature. And again, I can sort the data via different means. So English literature actually is one of his better performing subjects. So maybe all those interventions have paid off. So that concludes a quick overview of the qualifications area.